Once you have signed in, you will see an overview of your company. Your registered office address is displayed and can be changed if necessary by clicking the Change Address link. Information on your company accounts and confirmation statement filings are shown. This includes the dates the next document should be made up to and when they are due to be filed. Green or red indicators show whether filings are up to date or overdue. You can file your accounts by selecting File Company Accounts and choose the accounts type suitable for your company. If you need to change your accounting reference date by more than 7 days, you can do this via the Change of Accounting Reference Date link. You will need to wait for confirmation that your reference date has changed before submitting your accounts. You can file your confirmation statement by selecting File Confirmation Statement. Towards the bottom of the screen, details of up to 5 directors and secretaries are shown. If your company has more than 5 appointments, a link will be provided to view them. You can edit this information if changes are required, such as a change of service address, or resign an appointment by selecting Remove. If you need to add a new appointment to your company, this can be done using the Appoint a Director or Secretary link. For a full list of forms that can be filed using the web filing service, select the A to Z list of forms. You can file any of the forms by selecting the relevant link. To return to your overview, use the Company Overview link. Here, you can also join the important web filing services, eReminders and Proof. You can also request an email containing a PDF of your current company information. eReminders is a free service for customers wishing to receive a timely email reminder of when their company accounts and confirmation statement are due for filing. Reminders can be sent to a maximum of 4 email addresses, and it will include a link so the documents can be filed immediately. To sign up, simply select Join eReminders and follow the instructions. Once you have joined the service, it would mean that paper reminder letters will no longer be sent to your registered office address. The Protected Online Filing Proof Scheme is designed to help companies protect themselves against fraudulent document filings. Once registered for this free scheme, Companies House will normally reject any paper versions of certain forms and send them back to the registered office address. To safeguard your company information, select the Join Proof link and follow the registration process. If you want to view the current information held on your company, select the Request Email of Current Company Information link. A PDF containing this information will then be emailed to you. This useful information can be used to check if any updates are required prior to filing your confirmation statement. If you are filing on behalf of clients, you can also email this information to them for their input. The Company Overview screen also includes a link to My Recent Filings. This facility allows you to obtain a copy of the information you have filed using web filing for up to 10 days after submission. This would include filings for your own company or any filings you have made on behalf of clients, apart from the accounts templates. It will also show any failed payments. If you want to change your email address or password, you can do this via the Change Account Details link. To change your company authentication code, select the Company Authentication link. Confirmation will be posted to your registered office address. Additional web filing information and support is available via the Help link. Once you have finished, you can either choose to file for a different company or sign out.
If you have any questions regarding this video or any videos regarding the benefits or like your marriage certificate or visa, feel free to contact me. You can always send me an email directly, or you can also join our WhatsApp group. The number is coming below, and you can send us a message or join our group where we can help you in your questions and answers.